So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting video, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can edit the description of an active gig that you have been already published on your Fiverr account. You don't need to delete all the gig. If you want to make some changes, you can easily change the description of that particular gig even after you have been published that particular gig. So first of all, open the Fiverr account on whatever device that you have been using. For example, if I open it on my Windows PC, I just simply search Fiverr over there. Now this is the home page of Fiverr. You all have been familiar with this. I just simply need to go to the selling account, which is switch to selling. When I click there, now this is the dashboard of the selling account. Now to edit the description, first of all let me go to the gig list, all the active gig list. So just simply click on this button of my business, and here you're going to find this option of gigs. Just simply click there. Now this is the home page of all the active gigs. You're going to find the list of all the active gigs. So first of all, let's select the gig of which you want to make the changes of description. For example, if I want to make changes in this gig, just simply click on this button over the most right, and here you're going to find this option of edit. When you click this edit, now here you can see all the details, and from here on the top you're going to find this option of description and FAQ, frequently asked question. When you click there, you're going to find this is the description section, and from here you can easily change the description as per your convenience. Once you do that, you just need to hit save over there, and all your changes on the description are going to be saved. So by this method you can easily change the description of an active gig on Fiverr. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.